Hi friends, it's so good to see you. I'm gonna read a book called The Great Bug Race. But this book is a little different from other books. Look, it comes with a ladybug. And we have to put the ladybug in different parts of the race, okay? So I need your help, okay? All right, so let's see where we're gonna put the ladybug first. The bug is at the start. At the start. Let's see. Here. The bug is at the start. See that? Good. At the start. The bug is behind the fly. Behind. Where's behind? Is it here or here? Good job, it's right here. So let's put the ladybug behind. Behind. The bug is behind the fly. Behind. Let's see where the ladybug's gonna go next. The bug is above the worm. Above. Where's above? Is above here or here? Which one? Good, it's right here. The ladybug is above the worm. Above the worm. Good job, friends. All right, let's see what's on this page. The bug is on top of the snail. On top. Where's on top? Good job, friends. It's right here, on top, right on top. On top. The ladybug is on top of the snail. The bug is under the spider. Under. Where's under? Is it here or here? Which one? That's right, under is right here. So let's put the bug, the ladybug, under the spider. Under. Good job, friends. Ladybug. The bug is in front of the bee. Where's in front? Is it here or here? Good job, it's right here. Let's put the ladybug in front. The ladybug is in front of the bee. In front. All right. The bug is at the finish. It's at the finish line. How can we find finish if we don't know what that is? Look, this is an F. Where else do you see an F? Maybe let's look over here. Is this an F? No. Is this an F? No, that's a leaf. Is this an F? Yes, look. F, F. That's the finish. So let's put the ladybug at the finish. There it is. Yay, the ladybug did the race. It's all done. The end. Friends, thank you so much for your help reading that book with me. I had a lot of fun and I hope you did too. Bye.